we have the BMW. It's the 4 Series convertible. It's the M Sport model. It's got the M Performance styling kit on as well. Beautiful looking car, this one in the silver with the red leather. It looks really, really nice. Lovely combination with the 19-inch alloy wheels. Really looks smart. You've got the black gloss grille there, the black front splitter, the xenon headlights. Really high spec. Just have a look on the description there. That'll give you all the specification. If you've got any questions on that, please just give us a call. We've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, so you've got a really good tyre on the front there, and there's plenty of life in the disc and pads. It's got the M4 style wing mirrors, the side blades and the side decals. So the rear tyre, again, lots of tread there, plenty of life again in the disc and pads. It's got the rear spoiler and the rear diffuser, rear parking sensors. So it's fully kitted up. Needs to be seen, this one, to really appreciate it. Good tyre on the back as well there. Really, really nice. If you can see little pools of water, it's just literally just defrosting the snow on the floor at the minute. So it's not the car, do not worry. So you've got good tyres all around. Yeah, good tyre on the front there. All the disc and pads, everything's fine. So it wants for nothing at all. It's low mileage. It's exactly as you'd expect. It's in beautiful condition. It's definitely been well looked after. It's got the coral red leather, which is really popular. Electric memory seat on the driver's seat there. Electric passenger seat as well. As I said, very, very high spec. Just have a look on the description. Mileage is 32. If that zooms in, 32,628. Does have the neck scarf, which is a really nice feature, especially at this time of year. So it just warms your neck nicely. But yeah, lots of spec. All the cars, they do come fully valeted. They're all coming with warranty, which is extendable. They all come with a pre-delivery inspection. So basically everything's fully checked over. All these cars are ready to drive away, fully prepared. Just have a look on our reviews online. But if you do have any questions or you'd like to arrange a viewing, please just give me a call here at Safeway Car Sales.